So say, man, what it is. It's Ty C. And what I need you to do for me is LSC. Like, share, comment this video right here so we creep into it, man. Y'all see, we got something basic, something simple today. Ain't too bad. We're just gonna do a general deep clean, reset that suede. Then we're gonna knock out some of these creases in the toe box area. Then we're gonna go ahead and do something y'all let us see, and I'll let it do. We're gonna ice in them bottles, man. So without further ado, what you waiting for? Let's turn these joints from looking beater than beat, better looking neater than neat, man. Man, now y'all know I ain't gonna hold y'all too long in this this one's something simple. So y'all gonna go ahead and start removing them shoelaces, tuck them to the side, remove that insert and them insoles. Then we gonna bring in y'all adjustable shoe tree. Make sure y'all adjust them to the correct sizing. Then we're gonna bring in an all-purpose brush, go and dust off any loose dirt, gravel off the shoe. Get ready to bring in that warm water and that cleaner solution. And y'all already know y'all better get the scrubber dub. I done said it once and I'll say it again. Go ahead and ladder them laces, because them laces need love too. Throw them in the microwave for about 1 or 2 minutes, and then rinse, wash, and repeat that insole in the inside of the shoe. Then you gonna go ahead and pad dry with a microfiber towel. Now on the decrease in the toe box of that patent leather, go ahead and step the shoe or either a towel, old t-shirt, don't matter. Then you're gonna bring in a wet t-shirt and an iron. Gonna bring you 40 volume cream, get ready to ice. Now usually y'all see me taping off the traction pod, but this icing ain't gonna need too many sessions. y'all already know we gotta secure that solution with some clean wrap.
Hours later.
And then after your session, go ahead and remove the shoe, remove that clean wrap off the shoe, and then clean the bottom with some warm water and some soap. Then after that, go ahead, grab a wide brush. We're gonna start resetting the suede of that now. We're gonna condition that suede with some mink oil and conditioner. Spray around and show shoe because you're gonna get that patent leather as well, because that's also gonna bring some shine and condition that as well. Then moving on to that insole, we're gonna grab a fabric shave and get to cleaning that as well. After that, go ahead and insert your insole, grab your laces and lace them up. Now, as I already said, this something simple, something light, something easy, nothing too major. They wouldn't even too beat up. But y'all know I still get them back looking neater than neat when they looking beater than beat, because they just looking beat. You hear me? I get them looking neat. Man, y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, drop a comment, sub up, share. Y'all know I got y'all in the next one. Y'all chin up, chest out. Love.